Respected chief guest, parents, headmaster, teacher, my school side में श्रीमती गोगर धनलक्ष्मी गारू. My dear friend, good morning everyone. I am Vedasri. My father name is Nandiswara. My mother name is Dansi. I am studying first class at Foundational School, Kalampur, Yalakota Mandala, Vidyanathan district. First of all, I would like to wish a very happy Independence Day. India got freedom from British in 1947. Who should be grateful to our freedom fighter like Mahatma Gandhi, Ambedkar, Nehru and Bhagat Singh. I am proud to be an Indian. I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata Ki Jai.